Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you Tap Solar Digital Photo Frame. This is a small, nice looking 4-inch e-ink photo frame with 768 to 528 pixels IPS 4-color ink screen. That's energy saving. That's portable for man, woman, and so on. Yeah, the e-ink digital picture frame here is battery operated. It uses a 4 inches color e-ink display and a seamlessly crafted aluminum alloy housing that combines technological elegance with a long-lasting quality. Thanks to its paper-like display and extremely low power consumption, the e-ink display offers a soft, natural image effect and requires no power even with a long-term display for real energy efficiency. Whether on the desk, on the shelf, or on the bedside table, this picture frame is a functional and stylish piece of decoration. And the pre-installed Find Xing app is available for free on the Android and iOS devices. FINDXEINK. After the Bluetooth connection, photos can be uploaded directly from the smartphone for easy and intuitive operation. Wi-Fi and video playback are not supported. The focus is deliberately on the image display to ensure a stable, user-friendly experience. The frame does not support video formats. Deliberately purised expenses for the most beautiful photos of the memories, and low power consumption. The 4-color e-ink picture frame with a resolution of 68 to 528 shows every detail and every emotion of our image razor sharp. In contrast to the convenience LCDs, the e-ink display only consumes power when charging the images. With a static display, the energy consumption remains at zero, ideal for the permanent display of a favorite image without frequency charging. Operated with a built-in battery, no sock required, no annoying cables. Hey, that's nice. And with a compact design and ultra portable, because 4 inches screen is barely larger than a palm. It is to take with us for every corner of the home. No rotation function, no complicated operations for a focused, minimalist user experience. It does not support memory cards. All photos are transferred locally via the Find Xing app via Bluetooth. That's perfect for men and women who appreciate minimalism design and a stylish life. And we keep persistent memories in style. The elegant e-ink picture frame is carefully packaged. A high-quality gift for birthday, holiday, and anniversaries, or small everyday surprises too. Because this is nice. You can take your photo on the screen and give it away as a nice present with an e-ink digital frame. 4-inch display, mini format. Really cool and stylish. We have 4-color e-ink, vintage paper style, glare free in the sun, in white or in black surface frame. Magnet digital photo frame with 4 integrated magnets on the screen. So you can get it on the fridge, you can get that on the table or where you like. That's all and more brings us this nice Tap Solar digital photo frame. It's a small 4-inch e-ink photo frame for everyone out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon, yeah.